Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back to the new week. Weather-wise, couldn't ask for better today. Just a lovely one across the area. Nice breeze this afternoon. Just a perfect spring day. Now, the winds kick up a little bit more so tomorrow and definitely will be kicking up Wednesday out ahead and likely in strong to possibly severe storms. So let's take a look at our drone cam. First off, we got a beauty out there today. Oh, the trees are budding. That means that pollen count is going off the charts with the oak trees going in full swing. And just about everything else beginning to bud out. Lots of sunshine out there, sun and cloud mix. Beautiful power Doppler 3. So glad we have this radar, especially when we have these severe weather events that are shaping up. We had one last Tuesday that almost came to fruition. A similar situation Wednesday, and maybe another one in about a week's time from tomorrow. But a beauty out there today for sure. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the severe weather threats going into Wednesday. And once again, damaging winds and tornadoes will be a fairly moderate risk for Acadiana. Lesser effects, maybe some hail, and we don't think we're going to see any flooding, although we might catch a half inch to up to an inch and a half in the storms, but they'll be only lasting for an hour or two sometime as we head into Wednesday afternoon. So here's our next weather maker for Acadiana that's going to produce the strong storms. It's moving along at a good clip and already producing rain down in the desert southwest and some really gusty winds. A big windstorm showing up in around the Grand Canyon area. I shared that on my Facebook page. You may want to check that out, but near zero visibility. And eventually this system will be pushing off to the east. And it's already beginning to induce breezy southerly winds. We have high pressure out here in the eastern Gulf and low pressure, and pressure is falling back to the west. So that means winds are going to be picking up. And again, earlier today we had some fog this morning, lots of clouds. That was with light winds. Tonight the wind should stay up enough to preclude any fog development, and we're going to see some clouds coming in by daybreak, but tomorrow another sun and cloud mix, but certainly more clouds. We'll see some mid and high level clouds coming across the area. Rain chances should stay low. Temperatures once again get into the lower 80s, and notice the winds gusting up to 30 tomorrow afternoon. We'll take a closer look at that coming up in just a bit. And then as we head into early Wednesday, here come the showers and storms with a frontal boundary. Strong to severe storms underway at noon from northern Louisiana to western Louisiana, and then pushing through Acadiana through the midday and afternoon hours. Now it's going to be a broken squall line of showers and storms, but again, we could see some supercell thunderstorms that could be capable of producing damaging winds, isolated tornadoes. This may be a situation where we have less in the way of maybe renegade or what we call loner cells or discrete thunderstorms out ahead of this squall line that could produce and certainly could produce tornadoes. That may happen more so as you head into Mississippi, but again, those storms lasting till about 4 or 5 in the afternoon across Acadiana. Then clear skies are going to follow behind pretty quickly, while the storms will continue to go into Wednesday evening for eastern Louisiana. Thereafter, looking like a nice forecast, a little bit cooler come Thursday morning. So here's the severe storm risk going into Wednesday. That's wrong. That Thursday night is wrong, but it shows you this enhanced risk that includes the northern parishes of Acadiana, and we expand that on out. And here, at least we got Wednesday right here. Risk for severe storms that would be capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 74 miles an hour. We're going to have a strong low-level jet stream at 4,000 to 5,000 feet. We're going to have an 80-mile-per-hour wind, so it won't take much for these storms to tap into those strong winds and work them down to the ground. Now, the risk of tornadoes will be greatest northern portions of Acadiana, Allen, Evangeline, St. Landry, Avoyelles on northeastward, with a possible tornado outbreak into Mississippi. But whether we see the severe storms once again will be in the initiation zone, we're going to have some pretty gusty winds. These are the winds gusts tomorrow afternoon in the 30-mile-per-hour range. They stay up tomorrow night through Wednesday, and look what happens Wednesday afternoon. And most of the models agreeing with 40 to 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So that's going to have result in some sporadic power outages even before the storms come on through. So do expect some tropical storm conditions briefly Wednesday afternoon, and by Wednesday evening things will be settling down. Overnight Overnight tonight, breezy and milder overall. Clouds moving in late, and the breeze keeps that fog at bay. 64 the low tonight. We'll go about 82 to 83 for the high tomorrow. Breezy, warm one with that sun and cloud mix. And again, winds gusting into the 30-mile-per-hour range, maybe as high as 35 in a few spots. We might see a wind advisory for tomorrow. And then we have our weather alert day for Wednesday. Rain chances at 100%. It doesn't mean 100% chance we're going to see severe storms, but they'll be in the mix. Once again, similar situation to Tuesday, and we'll see how it plays out. Thursday, Friday, okay. Might see a few showers or a thunder shower Saturday, but all in all, the weather forecast looks pretty good going into the weekend. And then setting up next Tuesday, a week from Tuesday, could see some more strong storms in the area, but we'll deal with that then. That's it for weather for right now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.